iPhone lovers! If you've got your hands on the shiny new iPhone 15 Pro Max, you're probably excited about all the cool features. Today, I'm going to show you how to use MagSafe for easy charging. Let's get started. First, you'll need a MagSafe charger. If you don't have one yet, it's worth picking up. It's a game changer. Now, to charge your iPhone or AirPods, connect the MagSafe charger to power using a compatible power adapter. Remember, the adapter is sold separately, so make sure you've got one that works with MagSafe. Once you've got your charger ready, just place the MagSafe charger on the back of your iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you're using a MagSafe case or sleeve, no worries. It works seamlessly through those too. As soon as it connects, you'll see the charging symbol appear on your screen. That's it. Your iPhone will start charging immediately. No more fumbling with cables or trying to plug them in just right. MagSafe makes it super easy and convenient. And here's a pro tip. You can also use the MagSafe charger with your AirPods. Just place the AirPods case on the charger, and you'll see the light indicator showing they're charging. It's that simple. So if you haven't tried MagSafe yet, give it a go. It's a fantastic way to keep your devices powered up with minimal hassle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tech tips. Catch you in the next video.